Welcome to Phnom Penh, our hearts are bright. Bon Om Touk returns, what a shining sight. Each November, joy fills the air. Boats are racing everywhere. Drums are beating, crowds all cheer. It's the happiest time of year. Happy, happy water festival. We thank the rivers every day. Mekong and Tonlé Sap so wide, they bring us life, they are our pride. We thank the moon that lights the night and bless our land with silver light. We honor heroes of Angkor's fame, Jayavarman's navy, our nation's name.
We decorate our streets so bright with flags and lamps that glow at night. By day, the boats glide side by side. Families cheer along the tide. At night, the lanterns softly gleam. Fireworks sparkle, children dream. Songs and laughter fill the air. Cambodia's joy is everywhere.
Happy, happy water festival. We thank the rivers every day. Mekong and Tonlé Sap so wide, they bring us life, they are our pride. We thank the moon that lights the night and bless our land with silver light. We honor heroes of Angkor's fame, Jayavarman's navy, our nation's name. We thank the rivers, deep and strong. They've carried our culture all along. We thank the moon up in the sky, a gentle light, so pure and high. We share and buck, both soft and sweet, with coconut and banana tree. Families gather, hearts so warm, to keep our customs safe from harm. Happy water festival.
Heart shining night and day, boat racing, moon salutation, river blessing, celebration. Let's keep our rivers clean and free for every child and family.
Happy, happy